Imagine yourself in this Nissan 2018 Murano S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are B94 rear bumper protector, gun metallic, B92 splash guards, graphite cloth seat trim, Z66 activation disclaimer, L92 carpeted floor mats and carpeted cargo mat, M92 cargo package included, cargo area protector, retractable cargo cover, cargo net, first aid kit, front wheel drive and power steering. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.